Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to change your Facebook password. First, open your Facebook and click on the setting down here. You scroll down, you click setting and privacy, this one. You click setting and then you click setting here, and then you go to password and security. Under personal details, you click that, and then after you come here, you will scroll down here, and then you look for password and security. This one, this is password and security, so you click that. Under password and security, you look change your password, so you click that, and then it will bring you here, and then you click your Facebook to change the password. Okay, remember, first you need to insert the current password that you remember, and then you insert the new password and retype the new password again. After that, you click change.